Check this out. You ever tune in to a tropical chill video on YouTube? Well, today we're going to show you how to put something like that together in Clipchamp. And it could take you as little as 5 minutes. So grab your notebook, open up Clipchamp, and let's get started. Now, this is taking you step by step. So if you find this helpful, please hit that like and subscribe. And more importantly, if you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below so we can help. Okay, let's get started. Let's open up Clipchamp if you haven't already done that. Now, the first thing we'll do is click on Create New Video. From there, we're going to perform our first task, which is to find a beach video for your project. So go to your content library on the left, and I'm going to type tropics in the search. From here, select See All on the video's link. Then you'll scroll down until you find something you like. Once you find something, drag it onto the timeline. We'll choose this one here. All right, that'll work. Next, we'll need to add the sound of the waves hitting the beach. So we'll go back to our search bar and type waves. We'll go down to Sound Effects and click See All. From there, we'll scroll down and test a few out until we find the one we want. That'll work. We'll also copy the video clip and paste it to make it the length of the audio. Now we'll play that and make sure the sounds and video go together. Perfect. I think that will do. So we've got the video of the ocean and the sound of the waves. Let's give it a tropical vibe with some music. So let's go to the search bar again and let's type in tropical. We'll clear the sound effects filter and then select Music See All. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's add that to the timeline. I think that sounds good. Now, as you see here, the audio is going off the screen. You can use the control button and your scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in or out of the timeline to make it easier to manipulate. Now we'll copy and paste the video and wave audio to fill the entire music track. Great. Now let's play that through. On this one, let's make the music play a little softer. For that, we're going to left-click the audio file on the timeline and then go to the top right and adjust the audio volume. Yep, I think that's better. Remember, this is your video, so modify it to your taste and the type of viewer you plan to have watch your video. Now let's look at the transition between video clips. All right. You notice when one clip ends and then the new clip starts, you see a jump in the video. We want to smooth that out. Here it is again. So for that, we're going to go to the top left and select Transitions. From there, we'll scroll until we find one we want. For this, we're going to use a simple cross fade transition. Just grab it and drag it onto the plus sign between clips. Perfect. Did you see how it just looks like another wave receding? Here it is again. Now, just add those transitions for all the clips. You may need to move the clips closer as you add the transitions. Now, let's listen to the transition between wave clips. That sounds fine. I don't think we need to modify anything there. Alright, I think we're just about done with editing the clips. In preparation for exporting the file, let's go ahead and give the file a name up in the top left corner. And we'll also give it an intro name. We'll use the creator text style and drop that onto the beginning of the timeline. Adjust the font type and size as you see fit. Then we'll drag this up to the top. Then we'll add a little fade to the text so that it starts to fade out after 4 seconds. Perfect. I think that should do it. Now, there's only one thing left to do, and that is export the file. So for that, we're going to come up to the top and select the resolution quality you desire, and it will start the export. And that'll do it. Be sure to play back your video prior to uploading it. I hope you got value out of this. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. And be sure to ask any questions in the comments below. Until next time,